Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the photo in a non-destructive mobile editor so you can always revert. Once done, duplicate the layer or use Edit Copy. This protects the original pixels. Now choose the Healing or Patch tool and set the brush slightly smaller than the dark circle, about 0.5 to 1 times the area. Sample nearby mid-tone skin so the repair blends naturally. Work with small strokes. You want to remove the darkest spots without flattening texture. Next, focus on blending and color correction to make the fix invisible. Use a selective brush or radial filter to lift shadows by about +10 to +30 exposure, depending on severity. This brightens without overexposing. Then nudge the temperature toward natural skin tones and lower saturation by 5 to 15% if the patched area looks too vivid. Reduce clarity or texture slightly, around -5, to match soft under-eye skin. Finish by checking your work at 100% zoom and toggling the fixed layer on and off to confirm natural results. If the area looks too perfect, lower the layer opacity to 70 to 90% to restore subtle variation. Should you see halos or hard edges, switch to a very soft eraser or reduce brush strength and reapply in tiny passes to blend. Finally, export a high-quality JPEG or PNG and keep an editable file so you can tweak later if lighting or color shift reveals issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.